hot air is blowing on my thighs and it's becoming tangadi kebab. Oh my god, this is hot. Oh. You know, that's the reason why I don't wear gloves during summer, because it becomes very, very hot inside, and when your hand is actually hot and humid, it starts sweating, and you start losing grip within the glove itself. Even if you have a very good fitting glove, you still start losing grip. It's going to be green. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Big time. It's going to be lights out, away we go for Lewis Hamilton only. The race leader is the only driver who's not...
And I parked my car last night over here. Where is she? There she is. Hello, beautiful. No scratches, right? I hope. Hello and welcome to Fuzz Life again. And yeah, let's start vlogging again. So we have all the showrooms over here: Jaguar, Land Rover, Ferrari, Maserati, and you know what that was? Cybertruck. So you have a lot of brands over here, especially here at Al Quoz. I need to take a shortcut. Hold on. Okay. And once I took the shortcut, and it was horrible. I mean, I was at 30 and look at this dip straight down. And I was driving my BMW M3, and I was at 30. All of a sudden I saw this, holy shit. I was like, okay, my entire undercarriage will be damaged. But then, thank God, it didn't. In fact, it slowed down very quickly. So I didn't lose anything much on top. So anyways, so guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. And look at the moon. Oh wow, I don't know if you guys can see that. The moon is so beautiful. It's red, in fact. Red moons are kind of rare. So the last topic, forget about the last topic. I just wanted to talk about quite a lot of things over here, especially people in Dubai. Yalla habibi. There is a lot about people of Dubai. Oh, I'm going to run out of fuel. in 30 kilometers. Okay, I think I can refuel somewhere. I just have to go 18 kilometers to a spot wherein all the bikers are meeting up, and once I'm there, that is actually a petrol pump, so I can just go there, fill the fuel anyways. So let's see. So guys, welcome to Dubai vlogs, right? So right now, what I did was I switched the camera to night mode. I have no idea how it will perform and how it will show up later on. So it's kind of like, let's see if in case it works at all. Because I've heard that the night mode on DJI Action 5 especially, it's kind of like another level. And I know that for a fact that DJI does have a very good night mode, because I have an Osmo Pocket 3 and that one does excellent at night. So I know it works. So just like any other country, there is always traffic everywhere. As of now, there is not much of traffic, but still, it's almost 8:45, 8:45, and those who don't understand 8:45, so 8:45 p.m. And I'm just going to a biker meetup. Today is a Friday, so Fridays we always have a lot of fun. Come on, it's hot. I wish I could just sit inside the AC for 15 minutes. I keep getting so many notifications, and the one that I have over here, it is like a wireless charger, and I can actually connect the phone. And I've seen the stability of this. It does not loosen up at all. So there is a screw over here that actually pulls it together, and it really does work. So this area is all Al Khus, and that area is called as Al Barsha. And I usually go to Al Barsha to have a lot of food. In fact, a lot of good food over there, and a lot of people, especially from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and all those places. And yeah, this is going to be another MotoVlog. Oh my god, I never actually thought that I'm going to keep continuing to make MotoVlogs, and now I am. I'm kind of like, yeah, why don't I do it every day now and probably post it. I don't have that much of time to edit the videos and stuff, but yeah, at least I can shoot the videos and I can post it later on, not a problem. Okay, it's going to be green. I believe that BMW was trying to take a right without even indicating, which is wrong. You're supposed to indicate whichever direction you're going, so that the biker or another driver of a different car should know which direction the car ahead of him is turning. And I know BMWs, usually the BMW owners, yeah, they don't know which which indicator to put at what time. But then you know, even I do that. In fact, I do drive a BMW, so, but I actually use my indicators. I don't ignore it. I actually do use the indicators. And the funny part about BMW indicators is that when you have that lever that you have to press left or right, when I press that a little bit, it'll start indicating towards the left, right? So when it is towards the left, I have to literally pull it back up, because it does not do it by itself. So sometimes I have to pull it back up, and what happens is, as soon as I pull it back up, it starts giving an indication for right, and I'll be like, what the? So yeah, I understand BMW owners. I understand totally why you guys don't use the right indicator or the left indicator or any indicator at all. Oh my god. So this is Mall of Emirates. Sorry, this is Dubai Hills Mall, and yeah, it is also luxury, all luxury items. I don't want to be slow, because this is like 90 kilometers per hour road, and I'm at 100, so I can go up to 110. Oh, look at the car. Oh wow, that's a Lee. That's one of my favorite cars, by the way, Lee. And I believe this is L7 Lee. It's one of the most luxurious car in the market. This is a beautiful car, by the way, Lee. And it has autonomous driving. It has got all the fancy stuff, whatever you want in the car. Quite literally, you can do. It has massage seats. You can actually lie down and sleep. Oh no, I'm being followed by a Charger. Ooh, 60 kilometers per hour road, so I have to slow down. So guys, I hope you all are doing good, and hopefully wherever you are, may Allah bless you with a lot of happiness and success in life. And please understand that success does not come cheap. You have to spend a lot of your hard work and your time in order to become successful. It does not happen overnight.